Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today I'm gonna give you a tip. That's something you should be aware of if you own a Chrysler Pacifica 2017-2023. So I found out that I have a leak, water leak on the trunk. Right. So I got a water leak on the trunk. Right here. So if I took this cover right here, and the carpet right here is super wet, and it's what leaking with soap. After we have about maybe a 1 or 2 day rain. And when I took out the carpet, I can see the leaking part. The water is leaking right from here, come down. So it soaked the whole trunk. So if you have the same problem, you might want to check the problem right here, where it's leaking, that caused the leak. So if you go up on the 2 hinge for the trunk door, you can see right here on this area surrounding here, as you can see, this one, there's a crack right here, and also a couple crack right here, and also inside here, I'm not sure you can able to see it. So there's crack here all around it, right? A couple of them, and this one is pretty big. So this is where the leak come from. So you got water coming in, this crack right here, the water come in and go down all the way to the panel right here, and then go down to the trunk, inside the carpet. So what I did is I use a silicone sealant to seal this. But for me, because I have the silicone laying around my house, so I use it. But if you want to do a proper seal, you want to go to the auto parts store and get the sealant for the car. So that's for the permanent. For me, I just have the silicone, the clear silicone around my house, so I just use it. So you want to seal this side, and also you want to seal the other side too. I have a couple crack right here too. Now I also put some sealant around this right here, the area right here where it might leak. But the main problem is right here. So if you have water inside your trunk, on the carpet, then you might want to check the area right here, because somehow when they did the somehow this piece right here in the middle where they join these two sides together is let's say it's not that thick, and I don't think it's made out of metal. So when you keep using it, the vehicle for a long time, the weather will cause this to crack. And the manufacturer did a very bad job as having sealant in here, because the sealant seemed like it does not work, and it's make this crack right here, and this is why the water came in and caused the leak inside the truck. So if you have a leak inside your trunk, so you might want to check the 2 hinge and see if you have any crack. So 2 hinges right here, one, and the other one right there. So that's just a short video. I'll give you some tips if you have the same problem I have with the water getting to inside your trunk. And if you get some kind of sealant, just seal those off. Check those, see if you see a crack, and if it's cracked, go ahead and put some sealant on it. Then you should be good to go, because when I did it, and a couple of days ago we have rain in here too, and my carpet was completely dry. So I guess that's that fixed my problem. So that's it for this video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.